Yeah, hi Rachel and Ratna. Actually, this video is going to explain the functionality of the affiliates module in the Best Breakfast website. Now you would log in as admin over here. So I have opened two browsers. This is Firefox and I have Safari opened here. So I would be accessing the affiliate section in Safari and I would be accessing the admin section over here in Firefox. Now you would log into the affiliate section here and you would go to my affiliates. One application you would see which is yours and the other one which I just registered for myself you would see here. Now as far as the front end is concerned, we will need to introduce a menu item on the top which would take the user to the affiliate registration page. But just for the sake of convenience, right now the registration page is store affiliates, which is dev.tradebooster.com/bestbreakfast slash store dash affiliates and then the register after that. So we click, the menu item has to point to this particular URL and the user would then be able to register a login for himself. So let us say and this is basically an affiliate login. So I put my details and whatever I put here, email address, let's say I put as my Yahoo email address, line 1 is whatever. And I don't need to fill in anything else. I say I have read the terms and conditions and I submit my application. I get a thank you page here which says your application has been submitted. Now if I go back to my admin here, I would be able to see that okay, I have received a new application here from this particular user. I would be able to view the application here and I would be able to either approve the application or decline the application by clicking on either one of those two buttons here. And let's say I approve this particular user. It'll ask me to put on what basis do I approve this affiliate, whether it's percentage of sales or a fixed amount per sale. Let's say I put it percentage of sales and give a 10% of sale that happens. Now I said it's asked me to approve. I approve and it takes me to the page where I'm seeing. I go back to my affiliates and I see that this affiliate has been approved, right? Now this user is yet not active. If you see there's a difference, there's a difference between active and approved because this user has yet not read and accepted the terms and conditions. Therefore this user is still just in the status of approved right now. So I would now be emailed my user ID and password on my Yahoo Mail. So I need to log into my Yahoo Mail here and see my username. Of course is going to be my email, but I need to log in and see my password. So I log in here. I go to my inbox and I see this is my. So there are two emails that I receive. One which I receive when I submit my application, and the second one is the one that I receive when I actually get a username and password. So I just copy this password. It's pretty kind of complicated here. I copy this password and now I would need to go to the store affiliates section. So the URL that I would need to go to access my store affiliates is bestbreakfast/store affiliates directly. I put in whatever text I need to put in here and it'll take me to the login from here. So I can go to the login from here. I put my email address as my username and my password here. I log in and I would now be taken to a page where I'll be required to set up my account. So it says review the terms and get started. It'll show me all the terms and conditions. It'll show me here what is the percentage and what is the commission rate that I would be paid. So all the terms and conditions here. I agree to the terms and conditions here. Now it'll ask me to input my preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal or whether it's pay by check. So let's say it's paper check and I say pay this so and so person and I say submit payment details. So now my account is active, right? Now it asks me to go and pick some creatives. Now what are these creatives? Now these creatives are essentially banners that I would be uploading as part of the admin. So I go back to my admin login here and if you see my creatives are here. So my creatives are the banners that are uploaded by the admin so that these banners can be downloaded by the affiliates and integrated on their website so that they can get the affiliate commissions. Now I've created one banner by default, but let me show you the process of uploading new creatives over here. So I say I want to create a new creative, and it says give it a name. So let's say I give it the name of, let's say, banner 2. What is going to be the landing page when somebody actually clicks on this creative? So let it be the blog index page. What type of a creative is it? Is it an image or is it a text link? I say it's an image. Then it asks me to select a particular image. Let's say I select this one. And is there going to be any alt text on the image? If there is none, then I just say save the creative. Now I have now added a new creative to the repository, which would now be accessible to all the affiliates on my site. So now I activate this creative. Now if this user goes to his login and he goes to the creative section in his login, he would now be able to see all the creatives. So there are two creatives, as you can see from now, banner 1 and banner 2. Let's say he wants to see what banner 1 is all about, so he clicks on banner 2, sorry, and he goes to the banner 2 and he sees, okay, this is what banner 2. So in case he integrates it on his website, this is what is going to show up on his website, what you see here. But he needs to integrate it on his website by copying and pasting this specific code. Now this specific code already has a hyperlink, as you can see here. Now this hyperlink is unique to an affiliate, so it will differ from an affiliate to affiliate. And of course we have the image code here, which is given here. So basically we have the image here and we have the hyperlink here. So what he needs to do is he needs to copy and paste this particular thing and put it onto his web page, wherein he would like to have this banner displayed on his website. So this is the store affiliates control panel, and the moment the person logs in now, he would go to the overview section. So this shows him whatever the account balance and how many visitors have clicked on his banners, how many closed transactions, what is the total revenue that he's got, what is the total balance in his account as of date. This shows him all the sales summary. This shows him all the payment history that have been made. This shows him all the creatives that are available to him, and of course the edit profile section in which he can edit his own profile. So this is as far as the affiliate section is concerned, the affiliate login is concerned. Now in order to log in, I am just using the WordPress default logout URL here. In order to log in, once again, this person would need to go to store affiliates, just store affiliates, and this is going to throw up a page which will take him to the login. The person would now log in with his username and password. Oops, I think I copied and pasted something else in the meantime. Okay, so I need to go back to my Ymail, copy the password from here and paste it here. So this is what the user would see post login once he has, fulfilled all the formalities of agreeing to the terms and conditions and putting in all his payment details. Now getting back to the admin section over here. So we've covered two things. One is the affiliate section, wherein I would be able to view all my affiliates and approve them, and my creative section here. Now if I need to register a new affiliate, I would click here, a new affiliate here, and I would be able to register a new affiliate. This new affiliate is approved by default, and he doesn't, he of course he would need to log in and he would need to accept the terms and conditions, but it says they will automatically be approved. So, and of course the user ID and password is going to be emailed to this particular affiliate. Now the last thing that we need to cover here, of course, PayPal MassPay, if you see here, is they have a full-fledged manual available here, and of course it'll be available in the settings page. So let's just go back there. Okay, so over here I can just configure the general settings of this plugin. It says minimum payout amount is going to be $20. Whatever the terms and conditions that would show up are all put in here. Cookie duration is 0 days. That means it's going to expire the same day. So cookie is something which is specific to a user's URL, the affiliate URL. So we needn't really bother about this. The WordPress email and WordPress name is what you see here. For example, this is what comes to me as when I log in once again to my email. So it shows WordPress here. Of course, I need to put in my specific best breakfast, and of course, whatever the email address which shows up here is I don't know what it shows up here. It shows WordPress at dev.tradebooster.com. So I need to override these things, and I need to put in an email name and an email address here. So it's going to override the WordPress default. Affiliate registration, it shows okay what all are the payment methods available. One is check and the other one is PayPal, and these are all the fields on the affiliate page. If I want to add a field, I can do that. If I want to remove a field from the registration page, I can do this. If I need to make a field as required or not as required, I can just click this box and do the needful. Now these are all available by default. I cannot alter any one of these, but I can add a new custom field here. Now messaging would give us facility to edit the various messages that are shown to the user on the screen or on email. Now this is what it shows on the screen. All the web ones are the shown which are shown to the user on the screen, and all the email ones are the one that is sent to the user on email. So I can edit the text over here, and of course payment is what we need to enable PayPal Mass Pay, and how to set up. There's a full-fledged manual available here, so I haven't really gone through this, so I have no idea of how to set up PayPal Mass Pay actually works. But in case you are using PayPal Mass Pay, then you need to enable this, and then of course you will be able to Mass Pay using this link over here. So this basically covers the entire functionality of the affiliate module, both from the admin perspective as well as from the user perspective over here. So I think I've made myself clear. In case of any queries, feel free to get back to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.